Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1964 Adler Tippa vintage ultra portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Made in Western Germany and one of the top typewriters of all time, especially with the ultra portables. And this has cursive font, so stick around and see how that looks. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. And this one does have a new platen installed. And this is the paper support arm that flips up from the back, and the margins are located behind the carriage. This is your right margin. I'm going to set that close to the edge, and the left, I'm just going to keep that right on the edge, but you just push it down like that and you can move them. And that's just where your margins will be on the platen there, on the page. And this is the paper bale that sits on top of the page and holds it down nice and tight. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 1.5, or 2 spaces. If you want to switch that to 1.5, just flip this switch down right underneath the line space return. Skips 1.5, one more, skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. And as you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Absolutely beautiful. Smoothest typewriters of all time were the Adlers in Western Germany. And take a look at that font. Beautiful font. Cursive / script. Prints 11 characters per inch. Very beautiful, lovely typewriter all around. Excellent condition. Adler is one of my favorites of all time. It does have a all hard plastic shell, but the internal components are the best of the best. Super smooth. Smoothest. The J series and the Tippa series are just absolutely amazing smooth. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch behind your carriage release there. You flip that all the way back. It unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. I'm going to flip this down for now. Got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. This is your margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release button. It does allow you to go all the way to the end. Very good. Not the touch control, but the color selector. You only got 2 options on the cursive. So you got either the top of the ribbon, which is black, the whole ribbon's black, or no ink at all. So when you put it on white, it just doesn't lift up the ribbon vibrator. So you just print stencil for copying purposes. So you got that plus black or whatever color you want. If you have you just have to have the solid black or the solid color ribbon. Excuse me. Backspace, very smooth. And this spool cover just pops kind of up. You want to be careful because this is hard plastic. They're trying to make excuse me, they're trying to make these lightweight. So that's the name of the game with Adler, is trying to make it lightweight, but all the internal components are high quality. All the brand new ribbons load on the left side, so it's pulling clockwise to the right if you want to switch that direction manually. There's a little contraption here in the front. Most Adlers will flip like that. So you just flip that like that, and it'll pull to the left counterclockwise. And if you want to switch it back to this side, you flip it to the left, it pulls to the right. And this has an automatic reverse, and it doesn't need eyelets to reverse it. So if your ribbon is just from a reel that you just kind of put on there, it'll still work to reverse it. It'll just pull on this and then switch it to that side as you're typing. Very good. This just goes right back down. Very fragile, beautiful typewriter. Carriage release on this side only, super smooth. And this is your paper release behind it. And this is your line space retainer, which disables the line space, so when you turn the knob you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it forward, you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is a half a space. And this is your carriage lock. Flip that to the front and move the carriage to the middle. It'll lock in the middle, so when you have it in a case, it doesn't cause any kind of internal damage. And it comes with this top lid. Super ultra portable typewriter, beautiful, excellent condition, cursive script font. Available now on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.